Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial goals, but for beginners, it can seem daunting. With the right knowledge and approach, however, investing can become an accessible and rewarding endeavor. Here are some essential tips for those new to the world of investing. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your most valuable asset in the world of investing. Start by understanding the basic concepts of investing, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial news sources to stay informed. 2. Set clear goals. Before you start investing, define your financial objectives. Are you investing for retirement, a major purchase, or long-term wealth growth? Having clear goals will help you choose the right investment strategy and timeline. 3. Establish an emergency fund. Before you begin investing, ensure you have an emergency fund in place. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, providing a safety net in case unexpected financial challenges arise. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key strategy for managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes and industries to reduce the impact of any one investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. 5. Start small and gradually increase. It's not necessary to invest a large sum of money initially. Begin with an amount you're comfortable with, and as you gain confidence and experience, you can increase your investments over time. 6. Consider dollar-cost averaging. Dollar-cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. 7. Understand risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance honestly. Consider how comfortable you are with the possibility of losing some or all of your investment. Your risk tolerance will influence your asset allocation and investment choices. 8. Choose the right investment accounts. Select the appropriate investment accounts based on your goals and circumstances. Common options include individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs, and tax-advantaged accounts such as HSAs or 529 plans. 9. Avoid emotional decision-making. Emotions can lead to impulsive and detrimental investment decisions. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making hasty changes in response to market fluctuations. 10. Stay informed and reevaluate. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Adjust your strategy as needed, and stay informed about changes in the financial markets. 11. Seek professional advice. When needed, if you're unsure about your investment choices or need personalized guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can help you develop a tailored investment strategy. 12. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect overnight success. Stay patient and committed to your financial goals, even during periods of market turbulence. Investing is a valuable tool for building wealth and securing your financial future. By following these beginner's investing tips and maintaining a disciplined approach, you can work towards achieving your financial goals and enjoy the benefits of a well-managed investment portfolio. Remember that investing involves risk, and it's essential to be well prepared and informed to make prudent investment decisions.